If you are a consultant who spends more time coordinating meetings than actually consulting, an effective appointment scheduler can make a huge difference. Two of the top tools in this space are Calendly and Acuity Scheduling. Both help avoid back-and-forth emails, let clients book time directly, and integrate with your calendar and payment system. But depending on how you work, one may fit your setup better than the other. Let's start with Calendly. Calendly offers a clean interface and gets you up and running quickly. You set your availability, share a booking link, and clients pick a slot that fits. If you primarily offer standard consults, discovery calls, or recurring sessions, Calendly keeps things straightforward. It supports automatic time zone detection, connects to major calendar platforms like Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud, and allows for buffer times and minimum notice settings so you aren't booked too tightly. The simplicity here is its biggest strength. On the flip side, if your scheduling needs are more complex, multiple service types, different pricing tiers, multiple team members, or custom branding, Calendly's higher-tier plans and add-ons may start to feel limiting or more expensive. Now let's look at Acuity Scheduling. Acuity gives you more depth right out of the box. It supports more customization of booking pages, multiple service types, custom intake forms, group classes or webinars, staff scheduling, and even payment integration at lower tiers. For consultants who deliver coaching packages, group sessions, or workshops, Acuity handles that complexity well. The interface is a little denser, and the setup might take more time than Calendly. So if you just need simple one-to-one calls, it may feel heavier than necessary. But if your schedule includes multiple service lengths, add-ons, or you want clients to fill in detailed forms when booking, Acuity likely gives you more. So how do you decide between Calendly and Acuity Scheduling? If your consulting practice offers a handful of session types, you work solo, and you want a booking link that just works without much fuss, Calendly is likely your best match. It offers speed, simplicity, and reliability. If instead you offer coaching programs, multiple service levels, have multiple team members, or want more control over client intake and the booking experience, Acuity Scheduling offers more depth. Both tools reduce scheduling friction, free up your time, and help your clients book easily. The right choice aligns with your workflow, how you sell your time, and how much complexity you need. For many consultants, it comes down to, do you want simple and fast, or flexible and detailed? Either way, you're stepping up from email chaos to streamlined booking.